All right, it's like 5:24:25, and we just saw some bubbles burp out. This 2014 QX60 3.5 liter. So we're waiting for the fan to come on. They did come on, but it was still cold, so it must be the AC making it come on. So it's leaking out here, and then the temperature. Close the door a little bit so I can walk by. Okay, open it up. So the temperature is right there. And so I don't know if it's going to reach operating temperature in the middle, but who knows where is our operating temperature since we never drove the car often. But it's definitely not C. But we did see it burp. So we got the air out. Oh, it just burped again. Oh, again. Wow, it's burping. Look.
Oh, wow, look at that. Like a little baby. Oh.
Imagine all those bubbles. Yeah. Imagine all those bubbles would have trapped in there. All right, you hold on the camera. And I don't know if you have any lights, but I'm going to add the gas.
Oh, yeah, it's going now. It was like a geyser. It shot up.
Oh, I hit it too hard?
Yeah. You see that?
Oh, dang, that wasn't necessary.
That cleared that up.
Well, we can't see any bubbles now. But that was a bad idea. I'll remember not to do that anymore. But anyway,
it shot up about a foot.
Lucky you weren't standing here looking at it.
Well, good thing that phone shielded my face.
Oh.
Hope your phone's not too damaged.
So now I know not to do that. All right, so we'll